Today I'm going to make some Ajam Paniki using these ingredients. I got some chicken, I got some Thai veggie mix and cucumber, half-dried tomatoes on oil, bumbu Ajam Paniki, rice, cream, salt, pepper and onion.
To the good onion. Good onion is a heavy onion, so it's 6-pound onion.
I'll be using this pan for rice, and this is my wok to mix all the stuff. And this is my knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Let's get started. First, I pour a bit of the oil from the half-dried tomatoes in the wok. It has some herbs and stuff in it too, just for some extra flavor.
How do we dice an onion?
Then I cut the onion into little bits.
Onion right here.
I add the onion to the oil. And then I turn on the fire for... I start cooking the oil with the onion bits in it. And I fill up my water cooker for the rice pan. Then it is time for some chicken. I marinate it with a little bit of the leftover oil from the tomatoes. Add some salt, some pepper, and I mix it.
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
I keep an eye on the onion while the water cooks. Water is boiling, and so I pour it into the rice pan. I turn the fire for that on too, and let it get to the boiling point again. Meanwhile, the onion is getting crispy. And so it is time to add the chicken. I stir the onion with the chicken and the oil and let it sizzle. And the water is boiling again, so now we add the bag of rice. This will have to cook for 10 minutes. And we give it a hat. Chicken is getting baked. And then I start cutting the cucumber into tiny little bits. We'll add them later. Then I add the half-dried tomatoes to the chicken. And I mix it all together. Then we add the Thai vegetables. And I stir, not shake it, some more. The rice is done cooking, so I empty the pan. And let the rice bag leak its water. I then add the rice to the rest. Yes, I mix everything together because I'm Dutch and stupid. Then I add the bumbu Ajam Paniki to the rice for some spice and flavor.
Yeah, boy.
And then I let it cook for a little bit and add the crème. At the end, I add the cucumber for some fresh crispiness to balance the spice. And there you have it. It is ready to be served and eaten. Bon appétit.